Hey all, ready to start creating our pages for our Days of December album. This is going to be the title page. And as you can see, I've pulled out all the pieces, parts, and bits for it. And we're going to start assembling it right now. So we're going to take this beautiful candy apple snowflake, and I love the Bonding Memories glue. You can use whatever adhesive you want. And we are going to simply put this piece a half an inch from the bottom. And then we're going to take our stripes. And as you can see, it's from our Mix In paper pack that's available through December. And we're just going to build it right on top. And then this piece is from one of our Picture My Life cards. The one thing I love about the Bonding Memories glue is that when it's blue, it's permanent, and when it dries clear, it becomes a temporary adhesive. So there we have those three pieces put together. Now we're going to take our Picture My Life card and we're going to adhere it to our craft cardstock. And another piece of our zip strip. You can see that I've marked them so that I can kind of keep them in order. And we're just going to attach that right there. I like foam tape, so I'm going to be popping this. So I'm going to take this little piece and all of our pattern paper is two-sided. We're going to move this one and we're going to put it an inch from the top. And then more of our snowflakes. Now I am using our Microtip non-stick scissors, and please be cautious. These things are very, very sharp. And I'm just going to pop this right up. And just for stability in the center, I put one more. And we're going to peel all those off. Don't you love my holiday nails? Went last night, and my friend Sean, who's been doing my nails for years and years and years, had this beautiful color and really put me in the holiday spirit. So then we're going to place that, right there. And I've already stamped the little bow from the stamp set.